Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can simply change the download region for your Steam. So let's say that you want to increase your download speed. So what you're gonna do is go to Steam, go to settings, then just click downloads, and you're gonna see like the download region here. And now you can simply change it to whatever you want. So I don't know. You can say to Spain, to Switzerland, Ukraine, so many options. I'm the closest to Poland, to Katowice, so I chose that. But this is how you can do it. And yeah, have a great day everybody. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And that's pretty much it. Yep. Goodbye.